Hi there, and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a default shipping address in the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Setting a default address helps you save time when checking out, ensuring your packages always ship to the correct location. First, open the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Settings icon at the top right corner. After that, select Shipping Address from the menu. Now tap Add New Address. Choose Enter Manually if your location isn't automatically detected. Fill in your shipping details, starting with your contact name, followed by your full address, including city, state, and postal code. Enter your mobile phone number correctly. Before saving, check the box labeled Set as Default Address. Finally, tap Save to complete the setup. And that's it! You've successfully set your default shipping address in the AliExpress app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more helpful guides.